Hello and welcome to MCB Makes. Today we're going to be making a windsock. What you'll need is a brown paper bag, scissors, a hole punch or just something to put holes in your bag, glue, tissue paper, markers, anything you want to decorate with, and some string, yarn, anything to hold your windsock. So the first step for our windsock is we need to cut the bottom of our lunch bag off. Once you have the bottom of your lunch bag cut off like this, it's time to punch some holes. So take your hole punch or your scissors or whatever you're going to use, and for the windsocks you can either punch holes on the sides or on the front. It doesn't matter. For this one, we'll do them on the sides. You want to make 2 holes on each side. Now is the time that we start decorating. You can draw designs with your markers or crayons. You can add stickers. You can add whatever you would like. What I have are tissue paper squares. So what I like to do with my tissue paper squares is just put a line of glue right here because I want to make mine look like a shooting star. So I'm going to use my yellow tissue paper and overlap it. So you put one sheet down here on the glue and you glue all the way across. Now let's say you want to make your windsock look like a mermaid or a fish. If you want to do that, here's a quick trick to make these look a little bit more like scales. And what you'll do is add another line of glue pretty close to your first layer of tissue paper. Then you'll take either the same color or even a different color of tissue paper. For example, I've got some orange here. And what you do is you overlap your squares. If you want to make them scales, all you have to do is take your tissue paper square and just cut the bottom into an oval. And you can overlap them like this. So if you cut them with that curve, they'll actually look like fish scales. So you can make a mermaid or a dragon or a fish. Design your windsock however you would like. And if they stick over the edge, you just take your scissors and you just cut a little bit off on the side. Make sure to let this dry all the way before you take it outside to hang up. Now the last thing we need to do is re-punch these holes on the top. So now we need to put the string through. You can make these strings as long as you like. It depends on where you want to hang it. So you're going to thread one piece of string through both the holes on one side, and then you'll do the same on the other. So flip it over and thread it through, just like that. Now we have 4 loose ends up here, 2 from one side and 2 from the other. So you're going to take all 4 ends like this and you're going to tie them together in one big knot. This knot is what your windsock will hang off of, either inside or outside. You can pull nice and tight, and then this is what it's going to hang off of. And you have your windsock. What you want to do is take all 4 and tie them together in a knot. Just like that. This knot is what you're going to hang your windsock from. So you can hang it up inside, you can hang it up wherever you would like. So again, so we'll undo this knot.